Hey guys, it's Tiara Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the last day of 12 days of press-ons, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys watched all the way through, or if this is your first time watching, thanks so much. I just decided to keep it simple for this last set and actually kind of come full circle with doing another white inspired set. My very first one for day one was white as well. If you haven't seen that one, be sure to go back and watch it. I'm going to go in with a nude color on the majority of the nails. I'm going to leave this middle one white, and this is going to be my sweater nail. I feel like it's a really unique design. It's a little bit tough to do, but I do show a bit of a tutorial in my very first video. I chose to call this set Coquette aesthetic because I had the bows on there. It's very dainty and girly, the glitter and the snowflakes. I just feel like it's all very girly to me. That's kind of the vibe that I get from that aesthetic. I know it's really popular right now, just seeing all the bows and like the cutesy girly stuff all over TikTok. So I kind of channeled that. I feel like it especially would have been that if it was pink. But honestly, you could even consider my day 4 set kind of that same vibe. And I know some of you did mention that you do like longer videos, so I'm trying to expand them a little bit, make them a bit slower, and just show more of my process. So this video is a little bit on the longer side, so hopefully this is enjoyable for you guys. I'm just used to editing shorter videos just because it's much easier and it doesn't take as long to upload, but I am down to do whatever you guys are interested in. So as you can see here, I'm just finishing up these French tips, being sure to get a really nice smile line on each of them. I've gotten so much better at doing French tips this year, and I'm really proud of myself because that was actually something that was on my goal board, vision board this year. So claps for me because I've actually improved so much. I think just looking at some of my first French tips that I've done is actually low-key embarrassing. I'm so much better at it now, and I feel like it just shows my progress and my improvement. For this set, I'm going to make sure that this is very opaque and crispy white, so I'm going in with 2 layers of white for all of the white nails. This way you won't be able to see through it and it's going to look very bright. For the majority of the French tip, I'm able to get good coverage with the brush, but I think that the liner brush is especially helpful just trying to retrace the French tip. Then I'm going to go in with this glitter polish and kind of outline the French tip, and I think it just adds a little bit of enhancement and it just makes it pop a little bit more. I think looking back on this, I probably should have done this on all of the nails, even though I did a couple of different designs on each nail. I just think it would have helped make the set stand out more and pop, but I do love this detail whenever I can do it. And of course, what is a winter set from me without snowflakes? So here I am making my classic snowflake design using the dots and the lines. I think this is super cute, and I didn't actually make it 3D this time. I just went ahead and did a top coat for it. I think it still turned out really nice, and I do love the simplicity of it. Right here, I'm just going in with the top coat. That way, when I do my sweater design, nothing sticks to the tacky layer of my nail, and it'll also have a nice, clean, polished look. I think the most satisfying part of this is putting the acrylic powder on top. I feel like that just pulls it all together, and it makes for a super cute and simple sweater nail. I'm going to do the same thing on the pinky nail as well, and add a couple of more finishing touches. Once that is secured, I'm going to go ahead and cure it all. I just want to say thank you guys so much for tuning into this series with me. I think that it was so much fun, and I'll definitely be more prepared next year. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that you guys continue to follow me into the new year. I have so many more fun things coming, so be sure to put that notification bell on so you're notified every time I post. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you later, and Merry Christmas to all who are celebrating.